You almost wrecked my car. Well? Get in.
And now, fellas, we'll hear that fine new platter by Nat King Cole. I'd rather have the blues.
The night is mighty chilly, and conversation seems pretty silly. I feel so mean and brought. I'd rather have the blues than what I've got. The room is dark and gloomy. You don't know what you're doing to me. The web has got me caught. I'd rather have the blues than what I've got. All night I walk the city, watching the people go by. I try to sing a little ditty.
What's the trouble, officer?
Woman escaped from an asylum upstate. Young, wearing a trench coat. Seen anybody up the road that fit the description?
No, I haven't, officer.
Okay, move on.
Haven't seen a thing, officer. Oh, my wife's been asleep.
All right, move on.
You're angry with me, aren't you? Sorry I nearly wrecked your pretty little car. I was just thinking how much you can tell about a person from such simple things. Your car, for instance.
Now, what kind of a message does it send you?
You have only one real, lasting love.
Now, who could that be?
You. You're one of those self-indulgent males who thinks about nothing but his clothes, his car, himself. But you do push-ups every morning just to keep your belly hard.
You against good health or something?
I can tolerate flabby muscles in a man and make him more friendly. You're the kind of a person who never gives in a relationship, who only takes. Woman. The incomplete sex. What does she need to complete her? Why, man, of course. Wonderful man.
Oh, all right, let it go. That bus stop will be coming up pretty soon, and I don't even know your name.
You forget I'm a loony from the Laughing House. All loonies are dangerous. You ever read poetry? No, of course you wouldn't. Christina Rossetti wrote love sonnets. I was named after her.
Christina?
Yes, Mike. I got your name from the registration certificate, Mr. Hammer. Get me to that bus stop, you forget you ever saw me. we don't make that bus stop.
We will.
If we don't, remember me.
She's passed out. I'll bring her to.
If you revive her, do you know what that will be? Resurrection. That's what it will be. And do you know what resurrection means? It means raise the dead. And just who do you think you are that you think you can raise the dead?
Put him in the car, too?
Naturally.